So it's time to take a look at our green belt song, and this belt is a really difficult belt to get because it has three new things. It has a new note, E, it also has eighth notes or tatis that we're playing for the first time, and it has something else called an anacrusis, and I'll tell you what that is in a little bit. So first we're going to take a look at the rhythm, and then we'll take a look at our new note, and then eventually see if we can play the entire song. So for this piece, we actually do have that big fancy word anacrusis, and what that means is that we're starting on beat 4 instead of starting on beat 1 like we usually would. So we actually get 7 beats of introduction. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play, and then we'll play on beat 7. Usually we would come in on beat 8 or maybe beat 16, but we have coming in on beat 7 this time. So I'll give you 1, ready, clap, and then we'll start. So do your best. The rhythm isn't too bad. We just have tas, tas, and tatis. So see if you can clap along with me. Again, I'll say 1, ready, clap, and then we'll start. We get kind of 3 beats before we come in. 1, ready, clap. Ta, 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 ta-ti, ta, 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 ta-ti, ta-ti, ta, ta, ta-ti, ta, ta. So if you take a look at that last measure, we have a half note and a quarter note, which we know would add up to be 3 beats. And you might be wondering, why are there only 3 beats when all the other measures have 4? That's because that beat that was by itself at the beginning makes up the whole 4 beats. So we have 1 beat starting out and then 3 at the end. When we add them together, we do get 4 beats. So breaking up that measure into 2 different parts, that's what's called an anacrusis. So just a little fancy word for you guys to keep in your brain. So the second part for this song is to see if we can speak the letter names. And in this song, we do have a new letter name, which is E. And remember that E is our bottom line of our music staff. So now we have 4 letter names that we should be able to read on the music staff. B, A, and G from our other songs, and now E. So what I want you to do is see if you can say all of the letter names with me. If you can't say all of them, then I would just try to say E. Every time you see our new note come up, that note on the bottom line, then say E, and don't even worry about the other ones. So it's up to you. If you can say them all, or if you just want to pick one, maybe that new one, E, just say that and I'll say the other ones for now. So let's go ahead and try to speak the letter names together. Remember, I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play, and then we'll speak the letter names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Great, now if that was still too hard for you, that's fine. This is a hard song. So go ahead and go back to the point in the video where we're speaking the letter names and practice again until you can say them all really, really well, and then move on to step 3. For step 3, we are going to need our new note on the recorder. So we know that our new note is E, but we have to talk about how to play it also. So for E, line your fingers up like you're going to play a G. So your thumb on the back, 3 fingers covering the first 3 holes, and now we need our right hand to come into play. So we're going to cover up the 4th hole down and the 5th hole down. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on our recorder, and our thumb still stays on the back. So be my echo for a couple of E's to make sure yours sounds right. And if your E is sounding really high-pitched or squeaky like this, that's not the sound we want. We want it to sound nice and low like this. If yours is sounding squeaky, you're probably using too much air. So just use a little bit of air. For the lower notes, that's all we need. Just a tiny, tiny bit of air, and that should help to give you that low sound. So this time we're going to try to do step 3 on our recorder. Now that we know E, we can do the fingerings while we try to speak the letter names. Again, if you can't do it all, then just do the fingerings for our new note and leave the rest for another time. It's a great way to practice. If you can't do them all at one time, just pick one letter name that you can do and do that, and then practice them all kind of separately and then put them together. But I'm going to do them all, so try to go along with me. We start on G. Remember, we get those 7 beats of introduction before we start to do the fingerings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. And the last step is to actually try to play the song. So do your best. Remember, we have 7 beats before we start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play. All right, great job. If you get frustrated with the green belt, remember it is one of the harder belt songs to learn. So don't give up, keep persevering. That's something that we work on at school, and know that if you keep practicing, you will do well, and then you'll get on to purple belt and all the others. So good luck practicing and good luck with your green belt.